Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Investing Explained. Here's today's question. When you mention passive, I'm curious to hear what you mean and how you would define passive. And the reason I ask that is because I get that question a lot from listeners is, what is actually passive? If you have to work on something for a few weeks, a few months, maybe even a year to build an asset, but then it's passive from then, do you consider that a passive income stream? Or is it something that you just put money into once, like maybe a syndication, and then it's solely passive from there? Where does that line get drawn for a passive income source?
You know, everyone's definition is going to be a little different. I don't try to look at things in like a black and white sense. Like if you cross that line, it's no longer a passive deal. Like, for example, a business, you can have an active business, like you're running a franchise and you work in it and you're the boss and well, it's obviously not passive, right? Because you're an employee, you work in it. Or you could buy a franchise and hire everybody to go run it and then go sit at home and do nothing in the business. That's a passive business. So it's really about, and stock market investing depends, right? If you're trading stocks every single day and you're watching the markets go up and down and you're putting in all your buys and holds in the whole deal, that's active. If you go buy an S&P 500 index fund and you go sit on it for 20 years and you don't look at it, that's passive. So it's really about your time, and it's how much of that time. And, I don't know what the right answer is here, but on a passive deal, in my opinion, like a syndication, I put in X amount of hours up front, vetting the team, vetting the deal, making a decision, putting it all together, signing docs, sending a wire. Now it's passive. For 3, 5, 7, 10 years, I'm literally not doing anything. I'm just collecting what some people call mailbox money, passive income, whatever you want to call it. So that's the type of stuff I'm after, is like you put in the work once or maybe never, and then that's it. It doesn't require your time.
That's all for this episode of Real Estate Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.